create Wimix Wallet. First, download the Wimix Play Wallet app. Open the Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS on your mobile device. Search the Wimix Play Wallet in the search bar. Locate the official Wimix Play Wallet app developed by Wimix and tap Install to download it. Second, launch the app. Once the download is complete, tap Open to launch the Wimix Play Wallet app. Third, choose account creation method. You'll be presented with two options: create new wallet and restore existing wallet. Create new wallet. Choose this option to create a new Wimix Play wallet. Restore existing wallet. If you have a backup phrase from a previous created Wimix Play wallet, select this option to restore your wallet and access your funds. Number 4. Create new wallet. If you selected create new wallet, you'll need to set a strong password for your wallet. Choose a complex password that you don't use for any other account. Number 5. Secure your seed phrase. The app will display your secret recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial for accessing your wallet and funds. Write down the seed phrase carefully on a piece of paper and store it securely offline. Never share your seed phrase with anyone or any website. Number 6. Confirm seed phrase. The app will ask you to confirm your seed phrase by entering the words in the correct order. This ensures you've written it down correctly. Number 7. Optional biometric authentication. Some version of the app might allow setting up fingerprint or facial recognition for additional security. Enable this two-factor authentication if available and prepare for your device. Number 8. Congratulations! You've successfully created a new Remix Play wallet. You can now use it to store, send, and receive Remix token and other assets supported by the Remix Play wallet. Additional note: remember your seed phrase grant complete access to your Remix Play wallet and funds. Keep it safe and never share it with anyone or any website. Consider to use a Metal wallet for secure offline storage of your seed phrase.